Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices, enable developer options and USB debugging on the phone so a DB can talk. Connect the phone and your computer to the same Wi-Fi or use the phone as a hotspot if needed. On your host, install platform tools and plug the device by USB to verify visibility with a DB devices. Once done, note the device IP shown in a DB shell IP route or settings. This IP is what you will use for the wireless connection. You'll switch a DB to TCP/IP mode by running a DB TCP/IP 5555 while the device is still on USB. This opens a listening port for wireless debugging. Next, obtain the phone's IP address using a DB shell IPF in editor show WLAN 0 or from the device Wi-Fi details so you have the exact address. Then unplug the USB and run a DB connect IP 5555 from your host. Make sure to watch for the connected to message and verify with a DB devices that the device is listed. You finish by using a DB commands wirelessly. Install, logcat, port forward, and debug as you would over USB. If the connection drops, immediately retry a DB connect and confirm both devices are on the same stable Wi-Fi. Make sure no VPN or client isolation blocks traffic, and move closer to the router to reduce interference. If problems persist, switch back to USB, run a DB USB to restore wired mode, fix network settings, and then reinitiate a DB TCP/IP 5555 and a DB connect when ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.